Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we have the VRSF race exhaust. This is the exhaust without the muffler. And this exhaust also is from the primary cats or the downpipes all the way back. So this is deleting your secondary cats, your mufflers, and any resonators you had along the way. On my driveway, we're going to install the exhaust and take you guys along the way. The first part of the video will be the installation, and then the second half will be some clips, drive-bys, and revs and everything. So I'm going to unpack all this and then I'll get right back to you guys. And the first part of the video is going to be just like, not the stock setup, but my current setup, which is catless downpipes, and then just a muffler resonator delete, nothing fancy. And then afterwards I will do like the installation, and then after the installation I'm going to do more exhaust clips of the exhaust setup, which is the arm catless downpipes along with the full catback exhaust by VRSF. And this is once again, this is the one without the muffler. It's the race exhaust. So here we got the exhaust set up here. As you can see, it's from the primary cats or the downpipes all the way back. And look at this, it's pretty big in diameter over here. It's a 3.5 inch all the way back. So you follow it. This whole big boy here is 3.5 again. This is pretty much how we set it up, and the pipes pretty much fit in together. They go into each other. It also comes with clamps. So, gotta loosen this up, fit that, put the other end in, and tighten it. But now we're just gonna go over to the car and just get rid of all the stock, or in my case, the muffler resonator delete setup right now.
I'd like to kiss you, but I just washed my hair. Bye.
We got Daddy Dipper here again today.
Yo, what's going on, guys? AC Auto. Alright, so what I'm gonna start with is getting rid of like all the hangers or supports, if you want to call it. I'm gonna start from the front of the car to the back of the car, and the first one on the list is this guy here. It looks like you could unscrew from this external Torx here, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna go from up here where the actual support is attached to the car. So on this side you're looking at here, it's a T12 external Torx, but I'm gonna try not to worry about that. So on the back side we have a nut, and it is a 13 millimeter. Let's see what we could do. Alright.
Yo, are you holding the nut with your hands?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yo, he must bench 315.
Alright, we got the first hanger off up front, and now we're right by the secondary cats. And BMW thought it would be necessary to put in 8 internal Torx bits to hold up this support. I guess there's like the 335s produce a lot of horsepower, so maybe these were necessary, but 8's a little much. But anyways, it's a T50 internal Torx, and we're gonna get out all 8 of the screws holding it in place. Alright guys, I am 3 out of 8 down, and I just wanted to share my little way of doing it, because these guys are rusted like crazy. So like every other video, we got a little bit of a pro tip going on here. These guys here, they're not breaking for anything. It's disgusting, like, but you know, who uses motorized tools or battery or electric when you just have like simple manpower. So pro tip time.
And the fact that you can bench 315.
Exactly, but even though this is technically leg muscles working, bench press still is always a flex. So we got to get this going here, and then this is where you got to get the leg going too. Oh, but I'm not flexible though. So see that? Got that like that. Hand on the ratchet and you push. There we go.
Let's go.
You broke that guy. You broke that John real good. Now you just gotta go to town. Your dinner has been served.
Sweet.
Let's go, baby.
So now we're up here by the downpipes where the primary cats used to be, and we have a bolt and a nut. They are both 13 millimeters, so I'm gonna fit this little hot boy on this side. Now I'm gonna grab the impact, so that just gonna be like that, and I'm gonna yank her out. So I have the hangers undone. I did from where the primary cats or the downpipes go to the exhaust. Up next, I just have to get rid of the 4 rubber hangers. So I have 2 right here, and then I have 2 more right by the exhaust tip. So I'm gonna grab a pair of channel locks quick and just see if I could pry off the hangers. I was gonna just pull it out.
All right.
Oh, something light.
Some heavy. You.
What up?
Alright, so now that the whole stock setup is off, first let's take a look at that, actually. We got the whole stock, secondary cats, and then a lot of stupidness. And here we got the aftermarket setup, and we got a little circus show over here. Alright, well that's nothing. But, so now that the stock setup's off, we're going to take this here and we're going to go right to the downpipes. We got the flanges, and we're going to reuse the stock bolt and nut. That's good. You want me to hold it like that? Like that?
Like what? Pop that John in there, eh?
Yeah. Pop that John.
Little John.
I'm putting on the nut and bolt, and it's tight. It's in a tough spot, but best way I found it was to grab a wrench like we got here, and you put the nut in it like this, and then on the other end I have the socket on the bolt.
Yeah, I don't know why you guys don't have like a lift. That's kind of like embarrassing.
Yeah, that's it, guys.
Broke boy.
1K subs, we'll buy a garage with a lift. If one of the subscribers pays for it. Alright.
Do a subscriber giveaway, but make the subscribers give it away.
Nope.
Alright, so we just went ahead and started to set up the exhaust itself. We put the clamp here, attaches to where the piece that attached the primary cats went. And then we come along this way, we put another clamp here, attached to the piece that's eventually going to attach to where the axle back is. So we're gonna take this whole piece as is, and we're gonna pass it under the car and see if we can get these two together.
Yo, I would hold that.
There we go.
Just get it to the hanger first.
I know, I just want to go tight so I don't fall off the bracket.
That's good. Yeah. Something light. Let's go. Okay.
Alright, so now we have, this is still hand tight over here. I put the clamp on just so we can kind of get like not the shape, but get it going together, because now I have to finish going from the back.
And now from there, you have to pop it on right on that hanger that's right by his hands, and we'll see what we do from there.
Alright, so now we have a lot of it installed. We're just missing the axle back. I just wanted to let you guys know that we use the stock hanger here. This is on the driver's side. This is the passenger side one. I'm just gonna leave it there. It looks cool. But when it comes time for weight reduction, I'll get rid of it, you know? That's a big weight amount. But we use a stock hanger nothing of that came with the aftermarket setup. So you just put the new piece here right on the stock hanger. I hope you can see that. But now this is all set up. It looks good. I'm gonna throw in the axle back now. All right, so we got the whole exhaust going now. We got them going from the downpipes all the way back, all the way to the tips. They stick out like, probably like 2-3 inches or so. This one too, but it's all right. Looks nice. But she's cold. So we're gonna get a nice little cold start here. This will be my first time hearing it, your first time hearing it. I didn't use that or any of these, and the exhaust is sitting in tight. So I just used all the stock locations of the rubber hangers and didn't use these guys. But all right, it's been a long enough wait. We're all gonna start it. The boys over here they're waiting. They're a little
Finally.
Yep.
But I'm gonna start it right now. And we'll see how it sounds. Go for it. The exhaust has been installed. It took forever for it to be installed. The install time wasn't forever. I meant like it took forever for us to make the day to put it in. I bought the exhaust. It was on back order for I think like 4 or 5 months about. I'm like, damn, I want this exhaust. I want to put it on. And then the 2 days after the exhaust finally got to my house after the 5-month back order time, my car went to the shop for 2 weeks for the new turbos because they were bad. So they sat, it was another 2-3 weeks. It sat in my house for a good 2-3 months, the exhaust, but today was the day we put it on. It was a fairly easy install.
Yeah.
You just had to take your time and watch out for like the tight spots and just be careful with it all. But
Yeah. And guys, I'm not jumping in the end of the video just because I want to be in it. I was there actually helping them install it, but I was behind the camera. So I'm not just jumping in to take credit. I'm always here.
Chris helped, Daddy Dipper, Brendan helped, and my boy Zach helped too. Like, you didn't need 4 people, but it made life a lot easier because you had a lot more arms there too.
Yep.
And a lot more laughs too. But that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys have any questions on the exhaust or anything, enjoy it. And we're also going to throw in the after clips probably right after we're done with this whole scene here. So that's it for the video, guys. If you liked it, drop a thumbs up. Any questions, leave them in the comments. And share this video too. If you like it, share it with your friends. I want this exhaust to be heard. Because not a lot of people did this. I haven't seen any videos of people putting race exhaust on the sedan and 54. So share it. Let's get that seen and like it as well. If you didn't also subscribe, please do that. But right now we're gonna roll the clips. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.
Yeah.